What if the secret to healing your stomach is already in your vegetable drawer? It might sound strange to think that a simple, common vegetable could do something so powerful. But some scientific research suggests that this is entirely possible. The humble cabbage, when turned into a fresh, raw juice, may help your body repair the delicate tissue lining your stomach. This essay will explore the science behind this idea in simple terms. We will look at how this, green liquid works. Most importantly, it will give you a clear and careful plan you can discuss with your doctor if you are seeking natural support for ulcer healing. This is not a new or unproven idea from the internet. It has roots in both traditional folk medicine and early clinical science. For generations, people have turned to cabbage for digestive comfort. Now, modern studies are beginning to understand why it might be so effective. The goal is not to replace the expert advice of your doctor or the medicines they prescribe. Instead, the goal is to show you a supportive therapy that may work alongside your current treatment. It is a hopeful, natural option that puts a simple, powerful tool right into your hands, straight from your own kitchen. To understand how cabbage juice might help, we first need to know what we are trying to heal. A gastric ulcer, also known as a stomach ulcer, is essentially an open sore. It forms on the inside lining of your stomach. Sometimes, a similar sore can form in the upper part of your small intestine, and that is called a duodenal ulcer. Together, they are known as peptic ulcers. Think of it like a canker sore you might get in your mouth, but located inside your digestive system. This sore can be very painful and disruptive to your daily life. What causes these sores to form? Your stomach produces powerful acid to help digest food. To protect itself from this acid, your stomach has a thick, protective layer of mucus. An ulcer can develop when something weakens this mucus layer. The most common causes are an infection from a type of bacteria called Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori, or the long-term use of certain pain relievers. These are called non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, ibuprofen, aspirin, stress, spicy foods. Stress and spicy foods do not usually cause ulcers, but they can certainly make the pain and symptoms much worse. So, what is it about cabbage that makes it a candidate for healing ulcers? The answer lies in its unique combination of powerful nutrients and compounds. Raw cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C is a well-known antioxidant that helps with tissue repair. It also contains sulforaphane. Sulforaphane may help reduce inflammation. Inflammation can slow down healing of the stomach lining, so anything that calms it down is beneficial. These compounds work together to create a supportive environment for healing. One key component is an amino acid called glutamine. Your body uses glutamine as a primary fuel source, specifically for the cells lining your intestinal tract. Think of it as the preferred food for your stomach lining. When there is damage, like an ulcer, those cells need extra fuel. Extra fuel helps them rebuild and repair. Cabbage juice can provide abundant glutamine. That may give the stomach lining the building blocks to regenerate faster. This strengthens the damaged mucosal barrier. Then there is the famous, vitamin U. It's not a true vitamin in the classic sense. It's a historical name for S-methylmethionine found in raw cabbage juice. Early studies from the 1950s showed striking results. One appeared in the journal California Medicine. Patients drinking fresh cabbage juice healed peptic ulcers faster than standard therapy, compared to standard therapy at the time. Researchers suggested vitamin U protected the stomach lining and promoted rapid repair. More modern, large-scale research is still needed, but the early results were promising. In short, cabbage juice's healing potential is a team effort. Antioxidants like vitamin C fight damage. Glutamine provides fuel for new cell growth. S-methylmethionine, or vitamin U, may protect the mucosal lining. Some studies suggest this combo can speed healing in weeks. That's why many people, with their doctor's approval, use this simple green liquid for natural support. This is not a magic cure. It is a complementary approach that requires consistency, care, and medical supervision. If you and your doctor agree that trying cabbage juice is a safe option for you, it is important to follow a clear protocol. This helps ensure you are getting the most benefit while minimizing any potential downsides. The process is simple, but each step is important for success. The goal is to create a fresh, nutrient-dense juice and consume it consistently. Do not ever stop taking any medication your doctor has prescribed for you. This protocol is meant to be a supportive addition, not a replacement for your medical treatment. First, you need to prepare the cabbage. Choose a fresh, firm head of green cabbage. Organic is a good choice if it is available and fits your budget. It reduces your exposure to pesticides. Start by removing the tough outer leaves. Wash the cabbage head thoroughly under cool running water. Then, cut the cabbage into wedges, or cut it into chunks that are small enough to fit into your juicer. The freshness of the cabbage is key. Using a crisp, healthy-looking cabbage is your best starting point. Next is the juicing process itself. The best method is to use a cold-press juicer. It is also known as a masticating or slow juicer. This type of machine gently crushes and squeezes the cabbage that helps preserve delicate enzymes and nutrients like vitamin U. If you do not own a cold-press juicer, you can use a high-speed blender. Then pour through a nut milk bag or a fine mesh cheesecloth. Once you have your fresh juice, the timing and dosage are crucial. Some studies use about 1 quart per day, or just under 1 liter. However, that can be a lot to start with. A gentler approach is to start with 1 cup, about 240 milliliters each day. Taken on an empty stomach, perhaps 30 minutes before breakfast. You can also split the dose, half a cup in the morning and half in the afternoon. Drink the juice immediately after making it, as it loses potency quickly. Following this routine daily for 2 to 3 weeks is a typical duration. That covers the basic step-by-step protocol. Many people who suffer from stomach ulcers feel frustrated. They deal with daily discomfort and the side effects of long-term medication. The idea that a fresh juice could speed up the healing process is incredibly empowering. It is a reminder that sometimes the foods we eat can do more than just provide basic nutrition. They can contain special compounds that support our body's own amazing ability to heal itself. This essay is your guide to understanding this potential. Before we dive into the details, it is important to set the right expectation. While cabbage juice is a natural food, it is powerful, and safety must always be your top priority. The most important rule is to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before you begin. This is not just a suggestion, it is a critical step. Your healthcare provider knows your full medical history. They can help you decide if this protocol is appropriate for your specific situation and ensure it will not interfere with any medications you are currently taking. Never self-diagnose an ulcer or use cabbage juice as a substitute for a medical evaluation and prescribed treatment. You must also be aware of signs that tell you to stop the protocol and seek medical help immediately. If you experience a sudden increase in stomach pain, notice your stool is black or tarry, or if you vomit blood or material that looks like coffee grounds, these are signs of bleeding. These are medical emergencies. Other warning signs include developing a fever, feeling dizzy or faint, or having trouble swallowing. Do not try to push through these symptoms. Stop drinking the juice and contact your doctor, or go to an emergency room right away. It is also important to consider potential interactions. Cabbage is a member of the cruciferous vegetable family and contains compounds called goitrogens, which in very large amounts can affect thyroid function. If you have a known thyroid condition, it is especially important to discuss this with your doctor. Additionally, cabbage is high in vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting. If you are taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, a sudden large increase in vitamin K intake can interfere with your medication's effectiveness. Your doctor needs to be aware of this to manage your treatment properly. Finally, listen to your body. Some people find that a large amount of raw cabbage juice can cause gas or bloating, especially at first. If this happens, try starting with a much smaller dose, like a quarter of a cup, and see how you feel. You can slowly increase the amount over several days as your system adjusts. If the discomfort continues, this protocol may not be right for you. Remember, the goal is to help your body heal, not to cause more distress. Being cautious and working closely with a health professional is the smartest and safest way to proceed. The idea that a simple green liquid from your refrigerator could help heal a painful stomach ulcer, surprising and hopeful, not just folklore, there is real science behind it. The unique combination of nutrients in raw cabbage, glutamine, antioxidants, vitamin U creates a powerful cocktail for cellular repair. They fuel stomach lining cells, reduce inflammation speed, healing, restore the protective barrier against stomach acid. If you're considering this path, remember the protocol steps. Start with fresh cabbage, use a cold-pressed juicer, or use a blender and strainer. Drink the juice immediately. A common starting dose, about 1 cup per day on an empty stomach. Consistency is key. Many plans suggest 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Pair the juice with a gentle diet. Avoid spicy foods. Avoid acidic foods. But always begin and end with medical guidance. Your safety is the top priority.